want to walk us through today?
Yes, thank you. So first and foremost, I want to give credit to where credit is due. Just to acknowledge my guru, Majaya Sati Bhagavati, and my lineage of Kalinatha Yoga for these teachings. So the first thing that I want to talk about with meditation for beginners, especially if you're curious but you're not sure where to begin, there are 7 points of concentration that help us have a deep awareness of the body and will help in meditation and concentration. So the 7 points of concentration as a beginner for yoga or meditation is the head, the eyes, the mouth, the hands, the legs, and the seat. And most importantly is the alignment of the spine.
Neat.
I thought you'd like that.
Neat.
Yeah. So, and then when it comes to all of those points of concentration, it's very, it's a mindfulness practice. So you have to consider how comfortable you are in a seat. So I encourage everyone as a beginner, really ask and honor your body where it's at and listen to that wisdom. You're sitting on like a bolster or a cushion, and I advise the same for everyone else. If you are just starting and you are more comfortable in a chair, sit in a chair. And it just helps with the alignment of all of those other 7 centers of concentration, because then you're not misaligned and uncomfortable.
And being more at ease.
Yes.
Okay, that's a good place to start.
Yeah.
Good. Well, I like my cushion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you want to make sure, yes, that you're comfortable and that as a beginner, you want to really allow and give yourself that grace, not pushing yourself beyond what your limitations are. So if a 2-minute meditation practice is where you need to start, I would suggest that, and then maybe work your way up to 5, up to 10, as you gradually start, allowing yourself in that stillness to just be still.
And just be.
And just be.
I think you had a good point in terms of less is more, in the sense that start with what you know you can attain.
Yes.
Like if you know you can commit to 2 minutes, commit to 2 minutes on your lunch hour when you get home, right? Mm-hmm. And just focus on where you're going to take us.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the breath. I find that when people are doing meditation, they're trying to slow down the mind, and really the whole point and the science of meditation is the breath, and watching how we actually don't, most of us don't use the full capacity of our lungs.
Yeah.
Where most of us are shallow breathers. And
I notice that a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, and when you are becoming more aware of that, even just the science of yoga, which is also aligned to Ayurveda, in case there's anyone that's watching that's curious,
yeah.
The breath actually has like an arrow, my apologies, like
That's
an arrow, it's like aerobic, it's like an aerobic breath. So when we breathe in and we inhale through our diaphragm and that moves outward, it allows our lungs to expand to their full capacity. And then as we exhale, the lungs and the diaphragm contract into the body, which actually creates a diaphragmatic breath massage to the internal organs.
Neat.
Yeah, and it oxygenates the bloodstream, making the blood more aerobic, which is what I was trying to say. And most dis-ease is anaerobic, meaning it thrives in an oxygen-poor environment.
Okay.
Yeah, so therefore the breath boosts the immune system, and the state of mind is linked to the flow of the breath.
Neat.
Yeah.